So there are four sampradayas: Brahma Sampradaya, Rudra Sampradaya, Kumara Sampradaya, and Lakshmi Sampradaya. And if we do not take either of these sampradayas in this disciplic succession, then our attempt to advance in spiritual life will be failure. Sampradaya vihinaji mantrasti vifalamati. You cannot manufacture your own prayers unless you follow the footprints of Mahajan. They are Mahajan. This Brahma, Mahajan. Lord Shiva, Mahajan. Kumara, Mahajan. Lakshmi Devi is a potency, spiritual potency of Lord Vishnu. Lakshmi Narayan, Narayan's potency. She is always engaged in massaging the lotus feet of Narayan. You have seen the picture.